You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. French name. He is now officially the Prime Minister of France since yesterday. If you want to learn more French names, the name of the President of France, if you wish, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So, the way we pronounce it in France, French pronunciation, Michel Barnier. Michel Barnier. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it in English as Michel Barnier. Michel Barnier. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.